Santa Fe!
Occupy Santa Fe!
We're going to do a quick
We're gonna
review
do a quick review
of hand signals.
of hand signals.
Because this is more of a typical General Assembly.
General Assembly.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
All right. You probably don't need it. But we're going to do it anyway. This means I like what I'm hearing. I feel good about it. This means I kind of need to hear more. I'm lukewarm. But not out. This I don't like it. I don't feel good. This means point of process. It means anyone can use it if they feel like we are getting off track from the agenda or the process that we've generally agreed to out of our General Assemblies. This means point of information.